Part 2, the third level. Charlie, a 31-year-old daily commuter, accidentally arrives at the third level of Grand Central Station. And the reason he gives is that he's an unhappy man. He is engulfed in insecurities and fears. And not only he, but every man in this modern world is leading a stressful life. And then we see that how he tells that his grandfather was not at all stressful. He was not at all insecure. He had a hobby collection of the stems, philately, but he was not at all stressful. His case is different. He does this hobby, he enjoys this hobby because he is stressful. He needs a refuge. He needs a shelter from the or escape from the reality of life. And now we see we Charlie's talking about his grandfather. Well, maybe, but my grandfather didn't need any refuge from reality. Things were pretty nice and peaceful in his days. Okay, the things were very, very nice and peaceful. From all I hear, and he started my collection. It's a nice collection too, blocks of four of practically every US issue, first day covers, and so on. Then Charlie says it's a nice collection. Blocks of four of practically every US issue. You have blocks, you have the stems of practically every US issue. US issue means every issue stamp which is issued in USA. First day covers. Now, my dear students, you should know what is the first day cover. Now, see, for the people who loves collecting stems, this is a important thing. When a new stamp is issued by any country, the stamp collectors, what they do is they buy it and they affix this new stamp on an envelope. Then they mail this envelope to themselves on the first day of the sale only. Now the postman, he gives the proof of the date. Okay, the date is put there, the seal, the stamp is put there. The envelope is never opened and nothing is written inside it. And this is called first day cover. So this is very, very important for the people who pursue philately. He says that President Roosevelt collected stamps too. Charlie says that even President Roosevelt collected the stamps. Anyway, here's what happened at Grand Central. And then he tells what happened on that day with him. One night last summer, I worked late at the office. I was in a hurry to get uptown to my apartments, so I decided to take the subway from Grand Central because it's faster than the bus. So Charlie says that he worked very late in the office and he was in a hurry to get uptown. Uptown means to the parts of the city that are away from the center, to his apartment, which is away from his city center. And so he decided to take this train because it is faster than the bus. Now, I don't know why this should have happened to me. And then he says that he didn't know also why this happened to him. I'm just an ordinary guy named Charlie, 31 years old, and I was wearing a tan gabardine suit and a straw hat with a fancy band. And then he says that on that day, he was wearing a tan. Tan means yellowish brown color gabardine. Gabardine suit means strong fabric suit and a straw hat with a fancy band. Fancy band means with the decorative strips. I passed a dozen men who looked just like me. And I wasn't trying to escape from anything. I just wanted to get home to Louisa, my wife. And then he says that he passed a dozen men. So many men he met on the way, which seemed to him just the same like him. Means he was okay. He didn't want to escape from anything. He just wanted to go home early to his wife, Louisa. And then I turned into Grand Central from Vanderbilt Avenue and went down the steps to the first level, where you take trains like the 20th century. And then he tells that he entered the Grand Central railway station from Vanderbilt Avenue. Avenue के इस साइड से वो ग्रैंड सेंट्रल में एंटर होते हैं. And went down the steps to the first level. And then by taking the staircase, he came to the first level, where the trains of the 20th century are generally taken. 20th century की जो present day trains हैं वहाँ से मिलती हैं. Then I walked down another flight to the second level, where the suburban trains leave from. And then he took another flight, another stairs, and he came to the second level, where the suburban trains means trains which lead to out of the city. वहाँ से city से बाहर की trains मिलती हैं. ducked into an arched doorway, heading for the subway and got lost. Now he ducked here. Ducked means he lowered his head. वो अपना सर नीचे करके he entered into arched doorway. वो एक curved doorway के अंदर घुसते हैं for the subway, एक और subway ढूंढने के लिए, and he got lost there. That is easy to do. I have been in and out of the Grand Central hundreds of times, but I am always bumping into new doorways and stairs and corridors. Then he says that that is always easy for him to getting lost. उनके लिए खोना कोई मुश्किल बात नहीं है. And he had been in this Grand Central Railway Station hundreds of times, but he had been always been bumping. Bumping means moving accidentally. कभी वो किसी ना किसी accidentally means गलती से कभी वो एक नए डोरवे में घुस जाता है, कभी वो न्यू स्टेयर केस पे चले जाते हैं, और he enters a new corridor. So like this, he is always lost. What is this show? This show that he is never peaceful. He is always stressful. उसका दिमाग कहीं ना कहीं stressed रहता है. He is not at all happy with his life, with the modern day life. कहीं ना कहीं he is so exhausted, so tired, so much full, like his head is so full of ideas, of all those things that he can never be fresh. He doesn't know what he's doing. He's so careless about what he is going to do. Once I got into a tunnel about a mile long and came out in the lobby of the Roosevelt Hotel. वो कहते हैं एक बार वो गलती से एक टनल में चला जाता है जो कि एक पूरी माइल लॉन्ग थी, एक माइल की लंबी थी. एंड ही केम टू द लॉबी. लॉबी इज़ अ लार्ज हॉल इनसाइड द रूजवेल्ट होटल. अनदर टाइम आई केम अप इन एन ऑफिस बिल्डिंग ऑन 46th स्ट्रीट. और एक बार उसने क्या किया, ही एंटर्ड सम ऑफिस बिल्डिंग एंड ही रीच्ड 46th स्ट्रीट. ऑन 46th स्ट्रीट 3 blocks away. 3 blocks away वो चला जाता है और उसे पता ही नहीं है मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ. He has become so careless about his life. He doesn't know what he's doing. Sometimes I think Grand Central is growing like a tree. और तब उसे ऐसा लगता है कि ग्रैंड सेंट्रल जो स्टेशन है वो एक ट्री की तरह से बढ़ रहा है. He's comparing the station to a tree. वो एक ट्री की तरह बढ़ रहा है. Pushing out new corridors and staircases like roots. उसकी जो नई नई कॉरिडोर्स बन रही हैं, उसकी जो नए स्टेयर केसेस बन रहे हैं, उसको ऐसा लगता है जैसे उसकी रूट्स हैं. बट इन फैक्ट व्हाट इज़ द केस? द केस इज़ दैट ही डजंट नो व्हाट इज़ डूइंग. वो इतना ख्याल में रहता है. ही सो लॉस्ट अवे इन हिज ड्रीम, हिज वेकिंग फुलफिलमेंट ड्रीम. उसकी जागते हुए वो ऐसे इस तरह से ड्रीम में रहता है कि ही डजंट नो वेयर ही हैज एंटर्ड. ही एंटर्स न्यू कॉरिडोर्स, ही एंटर्स न्यू स्टेयर केसेस. So this is all about in the second video. Thank you.